Good morning, students. I am Mr. Parikshit Rana. I welcome you to the Sanskrit English e-learning. Here I have a poem for the student of class 12. The name of the poem is Keeping Quiet, written by Pablo Neruda. Now something about poet. Poet Pablo Neruda was born in 1904 and died in 1973. Pablo Neruda was his pen name. His original name was, it is written here, Ricardo Eliezer Neftali Reyes Basalto was his original name. He won the Nobel Prize for the literature in the year 1971, and he wrote in green ink, which was his personal symbol for desire and hope. His writings are simple, wherein lies their beauty. This poem is originally written in Spanish, and the essence of this poem is based on introspections. Introspections means Atmanirikshan, and retrospections means Sinhavlokan. The poet feels that some soul searching is needed for us to be at peace with ourselves and others. Now the first stanza of the poem. Look here. I am going to read and I will explain. Now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still. So in the first two lines, poets ask everyone to count up to 12 in their mind. Poet suggests us to count up to 12 and we will all keep still. And he wants all of us to be calm and still. The number 12 represents the hours of the day or the months of the year. For once on the face of the earth, on this earth, let us not speak in any language. So there are variety of people living in this world and they speak many languages. So poet says suggests us that we should let us not speak in any language. People on this earth shall not speak any language and speak the language of silence and united together. Let us stop for 1 second and not move our arms so much. So poet says that at least one moment no one shall move his arm to each other. Okay? So this is the explanation of first stanza. Now look here the second stanza. It would be an exotic movement without rush, without engine. Poet says that when everything will come stand still or everything will be silent, no one will be in rush and no engine will be running. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness. Sudden strangeness means surprising at once. So poet says that it will be strange for us because it has never happened earlier. We would all be together in a sudden strangeness means it will be strange for us because it has never happened earlier. If everything will be silent, everyone stop their work. At that time, poet further says that fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Fishermen never try to kill any whales in the sea if everything will be stopped. Poet says that, and the man gathering salt, the human being who are doing activity to gathering salt at the seashore, would look at his hurt hands. They never hurt their hands. पोएट यहाँ क्या कहना चाहते हैं? कि अगर सब कुछ शांत हो जाएगा कुछ ही क्षणों के लिए, तब इंजन चलना बंद हो जाएंगे, सब इधर उधर भागना बंद कर देंगे। यानी वो आगे कहते हैं कि ये जो सारी सिचुएशन होगी वो हमारे लिए कैसी होगी, स्ट्रेंज, हमें सरप्राइज करने वाली होगी। और आगे पोएट ऐसा भी समझा रहे हैं हमें कि ये जो फिशरमैन है, जो मछलियों को मारने का काम करते हैं, वो भी रुक जाएगा। कहने का तात्पर्य यह है कि कभी कभी हम जाने अनजाने में किसी और को हानि पहुंचाते हैं, और कई बार जाने अनजाने में हमें खुद को भी हानि पहुंचाते हैं। तो अगर ये सब थोड़ी देर के लिए रुक जाएगा, तब कोई किसी को हार्म नहीं पहुंचाएगा, कोई किसी को किसी प्रकार की हानि नहीं पहुंचाएगा, और हम ये जो सॉल्ट इकट्ठा करके हमारे खुद के हाथ को हम हर्ट कर रहे हैं, नुकसान पहुंचा रहे हैं, वो भी थोड़ी देर के लिए रुक जाएगा। इन द नेक्स्ट स्टैंजा poet says that those who prepare green wars with gas, wars with fire. So those who prepare green wars means here poet wants to say that those who harm the nature by deforestation or any other activity. So those people who harm the nature, and those who wars with gas, those people who war with poisonous gases, and wars with fire, and those people who war with firearms would be stopped. So poet says that those people who use atomic energy, fire means here atomic energy, and destroy everything by wars would be stopped. If everything will be stopped for a moment, this such type of activity of human being would be automatically stopped. Victory with no survivors. Poet says that in such wars, this type of wars, victory is meaningless. Why the victory is meaningless? Because there are no survivor left alive. युद्ध होने के बाद जीने के लिए कोई बचेगा नहीं, सब एक दूसरे को मार देंगे। सो पोएट सेज दैट we must stop such activities of war. Would put on clean clothes. Poet says that if war stop, people should come out in their best dresses. Would put on clean clothes means people will come out in their best dresses and walk about with their brothers. They must go for walk with their brothers in the shade, doing nothing, and move under the shady tree and enjoy doing nothing. What I want should not be confused with total inactivity. Here poet says that whatever I explained in previous stanza, it does not mean that we should remain inactive in our life. We should do activity, or we should always remain active in our life. We should stop only those activity which damage nature or which harm the other people. Life is what is about. I want no truck with death. So poet says that life is what is about means activity is a life. जीवन में कुछ ना कुछ करना, वही हम लाइफ बोलते हैं। भगवान ने हमें लाइफ किस लिए दी है? यहाँ आके सिर्फ बैठे रहने के लिए नहीं, कुछ ना कुछ एक्टिविटी करके, कुछ ना कुछ करके यहाँ से जाने के लिए हमें लाइफ दी है। सो पोएट सेज दैट आई वॉन्ट नो ट्रक विद डेथ मीन्स आई एम नथिंग टू डू विद डेथ. टोटल inactivity brings death. if we were not so single minded, we people are single minded. Single minded means here we are thinking same. हम सब एक ही तरीके से सोचते हैं. About keeping our lives moving, in order to move our life we are thinking same, so we are single minded. We all are single minded. So we all are single minded about how to move our life. So poet says that if we would be single minded in keeping quiet and could do nothing and remain silent, this huge silence may interrupt or break our sadness. It is written here, if we were not so single minded about keeping our life moving and for once could, perhaps a huge silence might interrupt this sadness. If we could, perhaps a huge silence, if we remain silent for a moment, it can remove the sadness of our life. कभी कभी हमें जीवन में निष्फलता मिलने से हम सैड हो जाते हैं, तो ये जो सैडनेस है वो हम थोड़ी देर के लिए रुक जाएंगे, साइलेंट हो जाएंगे, तो ये सैडनेस अपने आप हमारे अंदर से चली जाएगी. So might interrupt this sadness of never understanding ourselves and of threatening ourselves with death. So here poet says that we should also take rest in our life. A long silence can do us a lot of good. Men become sad when they fail to understand themselves. They feel helpless when they threatening themselves with death. A long silence can help us in removing this sadness. So in the last stanza, poet says that perhaps the earth can teach us as when everything seems dead. So earth is one example which teach us about life. Poet says that when everything seems dead, the earth remains alive in this world. In the end, once again poet says that now I shall count up to 12 and you keep quiet and I will go. He asks us to keep quiet while he is counting up to 12. So thank you very much for listening this video. Next poem we will discuss in next period.